How to add a joint account holder on Truist Online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a joint account holder to your Truist account online. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here, you simply have to log in with your credentials and once logged in, you simply have to go to account services or manage account from the dashboard or menu. And after that, you simply have to look for the option to add joint account holder and click on it to start the process. And after that, you simply have to fill in the new joint account holder's details, including their full name, social security number, date of birth, and contact information on the new page. And after that, you have to double check the information for accuracy after filling up the form and then submit your request. And Twist may require the new joint holder to verify the identity, and once everything is verified, you'll receive a confirmation that the joint account holder has been added successfully. And that's it. That's how you can add a joint account holder on Truist Online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.